हाय फ्रेंड्स। फोटोन के बारे में तो आपको पता है कि आपको ये भी मालूम है कि फोटोन कितनी तरह से मैटर के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता है। तो चलिए आज इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोग को बताऊंगा कि फोटोन कितनी तरह से मैटर के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता है। तो बेसिकली फोटोन इज द क्वांटा ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी एंड इफ फोटोन interacts with a rest electron, it will provide momentum to the electron and it will scatter and travels with a velocity of light but with a higher wavelength. This is known as Compton effect. Huh? Okay, that if photon interacts with a rest electron, then it will provide some momentum to the electron and scatter and travels with velocity of light. This is we call this Compton effect. Now, if photon interacts with atomic electron or the electrons of metal, then if it photon has sufficient energy, then it will provide the all the energy to the electron, then and eject out the electron from the metal. But this is known as we call as or known as that is photoelectric effect. But if photon does not have sufficient energy, that if it has not enough energy and have the energy that is h mu, which is equal to the energy difference between the two successive between the two adjacent labels, then it will provide all its energy to the electron and vanishes. Then electron jumps from one allowed orbit to the next higher orbit. And if the energy of photon is not equal to the energy difference between successive levels, then nothing will going to happen. The photon simply scatters away. Okay, now the last and the fourth way, that when photon interacts with atomic nucleus, if and having sufficiently high energy, that is h mu, that is equal to the twice of rest mass energy of the electron, then it will vanish by creating a matter that is electron and positron pair. So electron and positron pair occurs when the photon have sufficiently high energy, that is equal to the twice of rest mass energy of electron. Okay, these are the four ways in which photon interacts with the matter. First, we know that is if it interact with a rest electron, then it will provide some momentum to the electron and scattered with a higher wavelength. If it interacts with metallic electron and it has sufficient energy, then it will knock out the electron. And if it does not have sufficient energy, then it will simply vanishes and electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit. And if photon interacts with atomic nucleus, then and if it has sufficiently high energy, then it will cause pair production, and it will produce a pair of electron and a positron. Okay, thank you.